Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your PhonePe transaction history. It is important to know that PhonePe, like most financial platforms, does not allow users to directly delete individual transactions from their history. This approach ensures the integrity of your financial records, protecting both you and the platform. Understanding this policy helps you use the app securely, maintaining a clear log of all your financial activities. Your transaction history serves several vital purposes beyond simple tracking. It provides a robust audit trail, which is essential for any financial application. These records are critical for managing your personal finances and are invaluable in instances of failed payments or disagreements. This permanent system offers security and peace of mind, ensuring you always have proof of your financial movements and protecting you from potential fraud. Since direct history deletion is not possible, focusing on device security is paramount for your privacy. Always remember to log out of your PhonePe account if you share your mobile device with family or friends. Furthermore, securing your phone with a strong screen lock or biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint, adds an extra layer of protection for your financial data. PhonePe adheres to strict regulatory guidelines concerning data retention, a common practice for financial technology companies. Your transaction data is securely stored for a specific period, which is typically mandated by various financial regulations. This adherence ensures legal compliance, protects consumer interests, and supports the overall stability of the financial system. It is a standard procedure for robust platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.